If your Samsung top-load washer is not filling properly, displaying error codes, or failing to progress through cycles, the pressure sensor could be the culprit. I'm William at AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing this crucial part. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers to get the job done. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws securing the console back panel. Separate the back panel from the console and set it aside. Remove the 2 screws securing the console to the rear panel, then rotate the console forward. Set your multimeter to resistance or ohms, indicated by the upside-down horseshoe symbol. Place one probe on the violet wire terminal and the other on the pink wire terminal. You should see around 21 ohms. If the reading is not close to 21 ohms like we see here, the pressure sensor has failed and should be replaced. If the resistance is close to 21 ohms, something else is causing your washer to not fill. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Since we found the pressure sensor has failed, let me show you how to replace it. Remove the back access panel and disconnect the pressure hose from the tub and suspension rod. Remove the wire cover from the back. Remove the pressure sensor from the frame. The locking tabs can be pried away by hand while lifting the pressure sensor out. Pull the pressure hose through. Here's the old pressure sensor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the pressure hose through the port and press the sensor into place. Connect the wires to the pressure sensor. Connect the pressure hose to the tub and suspension rod. Reinstall the wire cover and access panel. Rotate the console back into position and secure it with the 2 screws we removed. Reattach the console back panel. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. With that, the repair is complete. Great job tackling the pressure sensor on your Samsung top-load washer. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement part, just visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for letting us be a part of your do-it-yourself journey, and we look forward to helping you with your next repair.